Mystery Log 4. Character Profile Mrs. Minner. As you read, please highlight any sentences that you could use as evidence against the staff member. Background. You are the only one that is not a teacher. Being a secretary is great. Your only real complaint is about your boss. I mean, you love Mr. Henry, but he always has stuff for you to do. You never get any downtime. On top of that, lately he has been kind of moody, which is not surprising with some of the staff members that he is hanging around. I really want to say something to Henry about how he is making you feel overworked and underappreciated, but with his current mood, you are afraid with how he will react. Alibi, if you have one. You say you were not even at the party when the accident occurred. You tell everyone that Henry had left a stack of papers on your desk to finish going through before you left, like he always does. Other information. Did you actually get to the party when you say you did? Everyone is not sure when they saw you arrive. Was it after Henry was found, like you said? Also, are you lying about when you got there because you went to confront Henry right away? If so, did he get angry? Was it self-defense? Please fill out the columns below. Raised paragraph must be in complete sentences. You can also look back at your notes if you need them. Raised paragraph. Do you think Mrs. Minner is guilty? Restate an answer. Cite text evidence. Explain how the evidence supports your answer. List the reasons why you think that she could be guilty here, and then important pieces of information. Copy and paste the sentences that support the reasons that you came up with.